Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Aria's World. Today, as you can see, I've got some cool Shopkins. We're going to put these in some surprise eggs and Aria's going to find them. Wow, look at these. Hi, Aria. Look what Daddy has. I have a big basket full of surprise eggs. But there's a catch. You need to go hide in the living room and Daddy will hide them in your room. And then you'll come back and find them all with your cool, trusty flashlight. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, you go hide. And I'll hide all these eggs. Okay, Aria. So while I'm hiding this, you can look at these toys. These are Shopkins. And you can see what cool toys are in that little booklet. And maybe some of those are in the eggs. Okay, you go look at that in the living room and Daddy will hide all these eggs for you to go find. Alright everybody, I've got them hidden. Now the question is, can Aria find them? Should I go get her, guys? Should I go bring Aria in? Aria, are you ready?
Yeah!
Come on in. See if you can find some eggs.
I found one.
You found one? Okay, when you find them, stick them right on top of the table. Good job! What color did you get? Oh, you got two already?
And pink.
Blue and pink?
I see in the tile.
It's in the tower?
Purple.
Purple!
Wow, it's one. Hippos.
One in the hippos?
Good one.
What was it? Let me see.
It's a good one.
It's a gold one. Wow!
How did it come?
Where's another one? I wonder.
It's another good one.
It's another gold one?
I get big one.
How many do you have so far?
1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Big one.
What? Whoa! Where was that?
It's a big egg. It's a kid.
Oh, you need your flashlight to look at it. The flashlight helps you. Beep, boop, 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 beep, boop. That means there's going to be a cool toy inside. All right, better put it on the table. Whoa. Uh-oh. Are there any more? I bet you there's another one close by. Where could another egg be?
I put it in the middle.
What? Oh, he was sitting on top of Raffy. That's a chicken egg. All right, chicken egg.
I find a bunny one.
What? A bunny one? Wow! Cool. All right. Are there any more that anybody sees?
Wow!
Oh, you found it. Where was it?
That's a good one.
Was it by the bubble gum?
Yeah.
Wow, cool.
I got
That's going to be a lot of Shopkins.
2, 3, 4, yeah.
You got a lot. All right, what's next? Are there any more?
I play one.
Oh, where was it? Was it inside a Chase?
Yeah.
Chase is on the case.
And you got 2 gold.
That's a pink metallic one.
You got 2 gold, right?
Yeah, 2 gold ones over there. All right. I wonder if there are any more.
Okay.
Ooh. Where could one be? Does anybody see any eggs?
I see something.
What do you see? Oh, you're so silly.
That baby got me.
The blanket got you?
Oh no!
What? What is it? Oh, you found it! You used your flashlight. Cool.
I want to be egg on that.
All right. Any more? Oh, she found one.
It's on the car behind him.
The two skies were hiding the egg.
The baby one and that big guy, Mommy.
Yeah. All right, let's put it with the rest of the Shopkin eggs.
Okay.
That's gonna be a lot of Shopkins. Okay, any others? I think there are two more. Where could they be? Two more, yeah, good job. Uh-oh. Not in there. Oh, she found it. Good job. Purple egg. All right, there's only one more. This is probably the hardest one to find. Where could it be?
No.
Nope, not in the plane. Are you in there, egg? It doesn't look like it. I'll give you a hint. It's near rubble.
Near rubble?
Yeah, do you see rubble anywhere? Does anybody see rubble?
Rubble.
There's rubble. Okay, the egg is near. Where could the egg be that rubble was at?
I see something.
What is it? There it is! There's that egg!
I find a lot of Shopkins.
That's a lot of eggs. Whoa.
Look at somebody,
Look at them all. Wow.
Hold up for the egg holder.
What? Alright, we've got all these cool eggs.
Yeah.
Look at all of these.
Yeah.
Wow.
No.
And there's that cool flashlight that helped Aria open it up.
No, open it.
Alright, Aria, which one of these eggs do you want to open first?
The bunny.
Which one?
First I'm gonna do the bunny.
Alright, let's open that bunny up and see. Okay, what do we have?
Bunny.
The bunny?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside.
Chocolate, I don't know, guys.
You think it's chocolate?
No, it's a birthday cake.
Oh, it's a Shopkin birthday cake.
Mommy.
Whoa.
I'm gonna Jimmy.
Yeah, it's so cool. Alright, let's see. Let's hold it up for the camera. Well, hello, I'm a birthday cake. I'm candles. Those are cool. Birthday cake candles. Okay, what's next? Is this the chicken egg?
Oh, yeah, it's a chicken egg for the
Can you see what's inside?
Uh-huh.
Alright, what is it?
Let's see.
Let's see. Whoa, what's in there? Is it a surprise bag inside a surprise egg? No way. What do we have? Oh, whoa, what is that?
It's a tea.
It's a Shopkin?
It's a butter now.
What is it?
Food. Hold up, food. It's what?
It's a Shopkin. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, wow.
I didn't never see the
Cool.
buddy. It's it.
Does anybody have that one at home?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what's next. Let's put all your cool toys, like this one, and that one right there.
I'm gonna see.
Hello guys, how's it going? Okay, what's next?
Open the big one.
What do we have?
I have a blue egg.
A blue egg?
This is one inside.
That's a big blue egg. What is it? What's inside? Whoa, what is that?
It's a green.
It's like a Shopkin lantern. I don't even know what that is. We'll have to look that up and see. Does anybody know what that does?
Shopkin on it.
There's a Shopkin inside?
I see it.
Oh.
I see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What was inside of this lantern?
The
What
egg.
is that?
It's an egg in it.
It's an egg inside of there?
Oh, no.
All right, let's see what's next.
I'm gonna do this.
What egg will be next?
I'm doing orange one.
An orange one? It's like an orangish gold. All right. Wonder what could be in there.
It's another one.
It's another little lantern. Cool. What's inside that one? That one has like paper sticking out of the bottom. Huh.
It's another one.
It's another one. You have 4 toys so far.
I'm gonna
All right, what's next?
this one.
That one?
I'm gonna look at it.
All right, look at it with the flashlight. All right, what's next?
I'm gonna turn it this. Turn it this. Rather. See it? Open it.
Yeah.
It's a diamond bag again.
It's a surprise bag again. So cool. Oh, what came out of there?
It's a birthday cake.
It's a
again.
birthday cake.
Again.
And we have birthday candles. Maybe the birthday candles could go on the birthday. Oh, that one's already got birthday candles. Look at that. Wow, okay, let's put you with these guys. Hello there.
I'm trying to get something.
What do you have?
I have this.
Oh, you have the, what they are?
Let me
The little
see.
booklet?
Yes. Let me see. Let me see.
Okay, you're gonna compare it with what's in there? Did you find him?
This.
You found him?
Not this. That's. What is that?
I don't know. Let's see what we have here. We have all kinds of them in this book. Huh. I'm sure we'll find him somewhere. Alright, Aria. What's next? Which one of these cool eggs will be next to be opened? The golden one? Going with the golden egg this time. Alright.
Let's see. You got.
Alright.
I got donut.
It's a donut! Yummy, yummy, yummy for my tummy, tummy, tummy.
Oh no, that.
Oh, what is it? Let me see.
It's stuck on my finger.
It's stuck on your finger. That's so funny.
It's a shotgun on it.
It's a Shopkin donut.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna open another one.
Alright, let's see this Shopkin donut. Alright, you can come over here and play with your friends, Mr. Shopkin. Hello, Mr. Shopkin. Okay. What's next?
I'm gonna do the pink one.
Alright, Aria's going for the pink one.
I'm gonna do the almond. That's a good.
What do we have?
Pizza!
Pizza.
It's a pizza.
Whoa.
Pizza.
Wow, that's crazy looking. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay, what do we have? Does anybody know what this one's called?
It's got pizza.
Oh, okay. It's called pizza. All right, mister. You're with your friends.
Okay, I'm gonna do this green
A little green one? Green. Okay. Aria's using her flashlight to make sure there's something cool inside. Yeah, you can switch the colors on the flashlight.
A bee.
Yeah. Oh, it's in your eye. The light's getting you. Look at all the colors changing. What do we have inside? What could it be? Oh, is that a shake?
No, it's a drink.
It's a drink?
I don't want to touch it, Daddy.
So cool.
What
What flavor do you think it is? Like strawberry?
Strawberry, yeah.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Let me see. Hold it up.
Okay.
Alright, there you are, Mr. Shake. With all your cool friends.
I'm gonna do the pink one.
You're gonna do the pink one now? Here we go. She's used her flashlight.
It's light.
It's light.
The egg is light.
Alright, now what's gonna be inside? Something's inside.
I don't know.
What is it? What is it? What could it possibly be?
Cupcake.
It's a cupcake? Oh, okay, cupcake. Welcome to your new house.
I'm getting.
To your new house with your new friends.
It's Kitty.
Is it squishy?
It's pop out.
It'll pop out. It jumps. What's next? All of our Shopkins.
I want to do the
Oh,
purple one.
Mr. Cupcake. Mr. Cupcake. I'm sorry you don't feel well.
It's a careful bottle.
You don't feel better?
I have more than. But I feel better.
Oh, what is that?
It's a pig.
It's a plate?
Uh-huh. Look. It's pig. Let's see the top.
It looks like a cake.
Yeah. More
Let me
cake.
see that cake. Whoa, that's a cool cake.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here's a cake. Whoa, eat the water.
All right, what's next? Hello, cake.
Hello, cake. It's one more.
What is this one?
The birthday cake.
It's a birthday cake?
Yeah. Oh, and how
What is it?
Where is that on the head?
On the head?
Uh-huh.
I can't see it. Oh, there it is. I don't know.
I don't know what
It looks like a tiara.
Uh-huh.
And she's a little princess.
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
There they all go. All right, Aria, you doing another egg? You have 3 left. You could do the small purple one, the big green one, or the big pink one.
A big pink one.
You're gonna do the big pink one?
Mommy, no.
All right, let's do it. Oh, you're doing the big green one. Yep, sounds like something's inside.
Green.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Something cool's gonna be inside. Something cool's gonna be inside. I bet you something's in there. I bet you it's really cool. Oh, what is it? What is that?
It's a purse.
It's a purse. Wow. Oh, there goes that purse. There goes that one.
Oh, that bottom.
There they go.
I'm gonna do this one.
There they go.
Red.
Oh, okay. Here we go. Here comes purple. Here comes
I
purple.
don't know.
What could it be? What is it?
Daddy,
What?
I can't put this thing in pink.
Whoa, I can't see it though. You have to hold it up for me. Oh, cool. Drinking it? Looks like we only have one left. One big pink egg. And Aria's still drinking her drink. You're so silly. It's over there with his buddies.
The second step.
Alright, we have one left. And then it's time to say bye to everybody.
Okay, bye.
You don't want to say bye?
But I do.
Oh, okay. Alright. What is it? What is it?
A shoe.
It's a shoe? Our Shopkins, they're just made out of everything, huh? What is that?
I'm gonna see.
It's a drink? A pizza drink, maybe? And we've got this shoe here. Hello, Mr. Shoe. Now, Aria's got her booklet, and she's going to go through and see what every one of these toys' names are. Alright, but for now, we're going to say bye-bye. Alright, say bye, everybody.
Oh, this.
Oh, she found one. Okay. Alright, well, bye, everybody.
That's for that.
Hope you have a great day.
Bye.